Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Anna here, and I have a really cool product to unbox. This is the Selfie ring light tripod stand, phone holder, everything mabobber from Tonor. And if you haven't known, I have worked with Tonor before to review a couple of their microphones. Their USB microphone, I recommend checking out that video so you can see the quality of a $30 really good quality USB microphone. And also the microphone I'm using right now is the Tonor condenser microphone. It's really good quality and I really like the sound of it, and I've been using it ever since I tested it months ago. We just got in touch again, and I have here the Tonor TRL 20 12-inch ring light kit. So it's like a whole kit. It's 50 bucks right now. And it looks like there's a 30% off coupon at the moment as well. So if you're looking for a nice new lighting for your phone, for your vlogs, for your TikToks, for your YouTube videos, whatever, this might be a really good option. I did receive this product for free, but I have not tried it myself yet. So you're gonna get my raw reaction to how I feel about how it looks, and I'll do some tests with the lighting and stuff like that. So let us open up. We got lots to see in here. So here's your box. It comes with a lot of goodies, so we'll take them out one by one. All right, so it looks like it comes with an instruction manual right here with everything you need to know, how to set it up, what everything does. It's got some good stuff. It's got English, Dutch, French, Italian, Spanish, and Netherlands. And I'm guessing this is the stand part. Aha! There we go. All right, so it's just like a little drawstring little pouch. Looks like easy to throw on your shoulder, carry around with you, I guess. Yeah. And all right, this looks pretty sturdy. I like doing cooking streams as well and videos, so having another tripod for my kitchen will be really handy. So I'll probably use that for this, whatever I need it for. But holy cow, this is solid. I mean, okay, so for 50 bucks you get the tripod and the ring light. So like I paid for the good tripod I have, which is a little bit more heavy duty and like goes up to like 6 feet, I think, or 5 feet, I guess. That one I paid like 40 bucks by itself. So this one looks like it goes about 3 feet maybe. Yeah. And then it's got, it's got a removable. Yes. So it's got a quick release, which is what my fancy tripod has, and my cheap tripod that I've had for years doesn't have. But it has a quick release, so you can easily attach this to your phone or your camera or whatever, and then pop it off from the tripod to get different types of shots. I love that. That was like a game changer. When I realized that a lot of good tripods had that, I was like, I've been missing out. So yeah, that looks good. It feels pretty solid, you know, plasticky metal. Actually, okay, so 3 feet there. How tall does it go then? It goes bigger. Really? It does. It has 3. You guys see this? It has 3 lengths. So it might be about as big as my really good one. It does feel a little bit less sturdy maybe than the tripod that I currently use, but it still feels pretty solid. So yeah, it can go really tall. I don't know the exact height. It looks like, okay, I'm gonna read the stats. 16 inches to 52 inches. It's so tall. Jeez, that's awesome. I didn't expect that. I thought it was just gonna be a short one. I had no idea. All right, I'm gonna make it 2 lengths so we can get it on the ground here to get a shot. Okay, so now you can kind of see how high it can go. This isn't even the tallest. It can go 1 more. 8 more inches, I would say. But I did 2 of them at least, so we could at least get a test. And then we got the ring light. And you put that on your head. Oh, it doesn't fit. Wait, it doesn't fit with my headset. Dang it. All right, never mind. That was a bad idea. Don't put it on your head. I don't know. So it does look like this has a screw right here that screws onto any tripod. So very handy. You want to use this little mabobber, twist it in. And once that's in, you tighten it, put the lever down, and then attach it right back onto here. Like, whoa, like that. Okay, so now you have your ring light attached to your stand. Sorry, microphone's way over here. It does look like it comes with dimmable brightness levels, and the power button is here. And it's got a pretty long cable. You know what? This actually plugs in via USB. My other ring lights are power or wireless. So this is actually really handy because you can just plug it into your computer or into like a phone charger device to the wall. There you go. All right, I just plugged it into my computer and it does look like the light is on. And I guess let's see what happens if we turn it on. Whoa, that's bright. Let my camera adjust. Actually, that's kind of cool. Ooh. Wow, that's huge. Now, those look like you cycle through different lighting types. So this is a cool middle warm lighting. From the side, you can see it lights up my face pretty well. If you're doing lighting, you want to have multiple lights or have just it right in front of you. I wouldn't put this behind you or beside you unless you had other lights as like a fill light, but something like that. And then you can also turn the brightness down or all the way up. I wouldn't recommend doing it all the way up unless you have a specific need. Right in the middle usually feels pretty good. And I like a little bit cooler or like the middle ground one. I think that just looks better. For me at least. So that's nice. It is pretty vibrant. This is at like about middle brightness. I guess let me show you here at full brightness what it looks like. That is the brightest it goes. And this is the dimmest it goes. So this looks like a camera shutter, an iOS changer. So you can connect this to your phone or your, like my Canon camera could do it. And then you can take the picture from farther away, you know. Just one of those little handy little devices. I think I have another one. I don't use it very often, but they are handy. And it does have battery, it looks like. I just turned the power button on the side and it's on now. Probably not going to really mess with that, but that's a cool little addition that comes with this. And then also the last piece of equipment that comes with this is the phone stand. And hopefully this can fit most phones. It does look like it stretches pretty wide. You can see like that. And then this actually attaches. There is a little screw in hole right here. And that's where you're going to want to plug this in. Or twist it in, whatever. Not really, it's not electronics, so it's not really plugged in. But you do that, and then it bends, and you can place your phone on it. Easy. Let me grab my phone real quick. All right, let's see. I have the One Plus. It is kind of big, a little bit wide, so we're gonna see if it actually fits. It is like a spring-loaded one, so it's not my favorite for this type of stand. I like it when it's like with the screw. My other one is, but I think it fits. So that's good. I'm gonna try make sure it holds it. I don't think I've latched everything tight enough. This one. Make sure you latch everything, otherwise things will just start flopping around and that could be bad. So as you can see, it is attached. It is a little bit loose here. Oh, okay. There's also another tightening device right here. God, there's so many parts. You can tighten everything. So yeah, make sure you hold everything tight. Otherwise it will wiggle around a little. But it is pretty sturdy now that I have everything, I think, as tight as I can get it. And yeah, you put your phone in the front and then you're able to record. Look, you can look at yourself. You see yourself? This is how it works. You pretty much put your phone right in the middle. You can adjust it to your liking. And oh, wow, this actually looks really nice on my phone. Like the light is so even. This is so cool. I'll show you what it looks like. Actually, I'm going to turn off my other lights as well. All right, so my big floodlight is being turned off right now. So I turned off my big floodlight, which did fill a little bit more on the light, but this still is pretty good, and it's not even at maximum. All right, I turned the brightness up one notch. I think it still looks pretty nice and even, and like I can move around, and I feel like it lightens up my face pretty well, my hair. My new hair. Do you like my new hair? I like it. Anyways, yeah, this is a really cool device. Like, I think this is awesome. This is such a nifty setup. This is the whole kit. So it comes with the tripod stand, the selfie button, the bobber, the phone holder, the ring light, pretty much everything you need. Sorry, my lighting is so dark now on my main camera. All right, we got light again. I don't know. I think it's really neat. I think this is a cool device. Like, it's big ring light. The other ring light I have, I'll show you. All right, so as you can see, this is my ring light right now. It's only a 6-inch ring light and it does help a little bit, and it worked for a while, but this huge ring light does so much more. And I feel like the light is a little bit softer too. The other LED light I have is like a little bit harsher, and this is more like a soft box. Like, look how like you can't see the LEDs inside of it, right? So I think that's good because it doesn't hurt your eyes when you're standing 2 feet in front of it trying to make a video, right? The only thing I'm struggling with is to tighten the knob enough to hold it steady. This angle, it looks like it's this knob right here. And for whatever reason, I can't make it any tighter. So that is a little bit of a problem, or I'm just weak. So maybe get someone stronger than me to tighten your thing and you'll be good. But as of right now, it is a little bit, I can't quite do it. So it is sturdy overall, but I will say I think the knobs could be a little bit better and it could be a little more secure in that sense. But I think if I just have my dad or someone to help me tighten it, then it should be fine. I love this thing. This is so handy. Like, I never really thought about getting something like this, and having it with the little phone stand in the middle, I think is really awesome. So if you're looking for, you know, a good little selfie light phone tripod stand, and it's like a big tripod, so it's not, you know, a tiny little tiny desktop one. This is one you can use anywhere, and also you can make it like super short too, you know. So I think it's about 2 feet, well, 16 inches, as small as it can go. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good tripod stand. Very useful, very handy for people like me. Tonor makes great stuff. Their stuff is like high quality overall and affordable, you know, like compared to a lot of really expensive stuff out there. Like I like their stuff because it's affordable and decent quality. So check it out if you want. I'll set a link below, and let me know what you think about this. Would you want one for yourself? I think it's pretty awesome. I'm totally gonna be using this all the time, like no joke. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I guess we'll see you in another video soon. Bye.